Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. In this video, we're gonna learn how to make a Mars rover just like this, or like this one that I have built, but actually using things that we have in our household. So for this experiment, what we are gonna need is, we're gonna need ruler, we're gonna need some hashi, that is the chopsticks, we are gonna need tons of these, we're gonna need some straws, so 4 of them. We're gonna need a tool for us to cut our models, a scissor, a balloon, a blue tack, or it could be a gum as well, a tape for you to decorate your rover, so in mine we have the Monte Fuji here, and a cup for you to measure the size of the wheels that we are gonna make. And also ask for an adult to be with you so that you can build those experiments like in a very safe way. Okay, so step 1, we're gonna get a cup and we are going to then hold this and we're gonna draw a circle. We need 6 circles, so let's make sure that we do not lose much space. So you get a pen and then you go around it and then you draw your circle. What we are gonna do is to get our chopstick, also known as hashi in Japanese, and we are gonna make a hole in the middle of our wheels. Come here and make a square, okay? So what we're gonna do is try to find a sizable, nice size for our rover. So if we take this rover, for instance, this miniature rover here, we might try to do the same size as it is. So we might cut up to here. So we are gonna get our pen again, and then we are gonna cut it. It's 4.5 inches. So get that in 4.5 inches, and cut both pieces in 4.5 inches. So what we want to do is to get our friendly chopstick and then dig 4 holes in it. One over here, another one over here in the front. Then we go to the back and we do the same. And let's try to insert the straw. Straw in here, and then we're gonna have our balloon over here. For our balloon to be fixed here, we are gonna need a tape, because what we want to do is to tape it up in a way that when we blow it, the balloon actually will get into shape. We want to be able to do this. So let's get our straw and very, very firmly attach it here. We're gonna use our decorative tape or any other tape that you want. Air is released, it's going to move this way. Take a blue tack or a gum and just make it to fit here and not leave anymore. So now what we are going to do is to put those 6 wheels here. So we're going to have one very at the front, one in the middle, and one at the back on each side. So we're going to have it like this, okay? So let's go and then measure this like this. So if you want, get a pen, you can get a ruler for you to measure. So if I get my huge ruler here, I am going to make 1 dot here, another dot here, and another dot over there. We're gonna get our chopstick, and then we are gonna go through that. But pay attention for you to not reach in the middle. So we are gonna go a little bit below so that you don't come into this empty space. We're gonna build some head for us to put in here, and we are going to be using not much. We are gonna be trying to get a small square from this. Now, what I'm going to do is, with the remaining part of my materials, what I'm gonna do is to try to cut like a rectangle for us to be able to attach them together. Here we have our final and done rover. So what we are going to do now is to, at the time that we inflate this balloon, when the balloon de-inflates, it will push the robot forward. So let's see how that works.